So what?
We're driving down our bumpy road. Where are we going?
Rah, 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 rah.
Where are we going? Really? What are we doing? What are we doing today?
Road trip.
To?
A place.
A place. It's like an hour and 15 minutes away?
Yeah.
Okay. And what are we doing in this place?
It's a surprise.
Well, I already know what it is, so who is it a surprise for?
Them.
Oh. All right then.
They don't need to know yet.
Do you guys want to go? Come on. Come with us. Hey, Linda. Linda, listen.
Come with us.
Listen, Linda. Linda,
listen.
listen, Linda. No, we're not on drugs. We might need some medication, though.
Not bad. This is how we are at 7:30 in the morning.
All right. We're going. You going with us? We're almost there. Can't tell you yet. But you're coming with us.
I am not. I'm driving us there. I'm not coming with us.
You're taking us there.
Taking you somewhere.
Taking us somewhere. We'll find out in a minute. But we don't like being in the big city.
In the grand old metropolis of Coeur d'Alene.
Coeur d'Alene, baby!
What is it? The megatropolis?
I don't know. Is that what it is?
I don't know.
All I know is I don't like it. I don't like going into Ponderay. Aha!
Lowe's Depot.
Lowe's Depot.
Take 4.
I think it's like take 10 now. All right, so we went to Coeur d'Alene last weekend, and we wanted to surprise you guys. We were picking up something that Stuart ordered on Lowe's at Lowe's.
.com.
.com.
Lowe's Depot.
Lowe's Depot. Yeah, Lowe's Depot. Yeah.
.com.
So he ordered me a Christmas present, and we just didn't record. It was just too hectic. Didn't record anything. We came home and started putting stuff together to do what we're doing. So, let me show you what we got going on. I've got some footage of the before. You're going to see the now. And you'll also see the after, but not in this video, because we still have tons of stuff to do. So, let me show you what we did. Come on. Stuart ordered cabinets. And this is not how they originally looked. Let's show them what they originally looked like. They look like that. They're unfinished cabinets, but don't order unfinished cabinets from Lowe's. I do not recommend it. I am not going to be putting the link in the description because I would be embarrassed if you bought them. They're not very well made. But we're going to make it work. So, here's what they look like before. And I really wanted to do a whitewash on them. So we bought a whitewash pickling stain. So we have the whitewash on this one here, but you can barely see a difference. It like bleaches it. It's not the look that I was looking for. So we went to Home Depot in Ponderay and we picked up...
That's not it.
Oh, that's not it. What'd we pick up? We picked up a weathering stain.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's a weathering stain. All these cabinets here, we did the whitewash on. Everything. And then we put the weathering stain over that. And I really like the way it looked. It looks old and aged and weathered. I really like it. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to whitewash everything and then do the weathering stain. And then the poly and this side will be done. Also, when we came home that day with the cabinets, oh, my poor husband, he put up plywood. This was already up, but this was insulation. All this was insulation up to where the knives are. So he had to put up the...
Can't see it.
Can't see it?
No, there it is.
There you go. So he put up all this plywood first before we could even bring the cabinets in. Then we brought the cabinets in and we didn't start working on them until the next day, right? Because it was already too late by the time we got the cabinets in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we started working on them the next day. It's been totally torn up in here. We have kitchen stuff in the bathroom. We have stuff all over the place. And I was able to get some stuff put away this morning on this side because these cabinets are done. Check this out, what Stuart did. The cabinets didn't come with a shelf, so he used these metal shelves that you can buy from Lowe's or Home Depot. And he cut the legs for this one, so that way we could get 3 shelves. And I was able to fit tons of stuff in there. I'm really happy with that. So that's that side. And then he did one for this side, tall enough to get my stock pots underneath. It got cutting boards and stuff on the side, which worked out perfect. And, ooh, check this out. Whoop. Regular garbage and burnables. How awesome is that? Close the door. Pretty cool, huh? Ooh, yeah, and he also put shelves up. Look at the shelves. So once I get more organized and these cabinets are done, I can put stuff in drawers, and on this side, that will be more organized. I'm excited. Very excited. So, that's our update for now.
So, there was a saga with the countertop. What happened with that?
Oh, yeah, I wasn't going to tell him yet, but you know what? Why not?
Yeah.
Okay. So, when we were up in the scary cabin, we had a very questionable bar type thing that was made that was in the scary cabin, and we didn't want to prep any food on that. So we went to Lowe's and we picked up this laminate countertop. And our thinking was we can always go back when we need more and get the same countertop.
Not Lowe's, Home Depot.
Home Depot, I'm sorry. Home Depot in Ponderay. Okay, so our thinking was we could always go back and get another countertop to add on to, you know, like what we're doing now. So we went into Home Depot.
Well, hold on here. Hold on. Back up. So we talked to Home Depot, and they said, and asked them about, is this color going to change? Do you foresee it changing and blah, blah, blah. They said, no. You will always be able to get this color here. So now, fast forward back to Tony.
Am I on? Fast
You're
forward back to Tony. All right, so we go to Home Depot to find another countertop in the same color so we can put it on this side. And they're not carrying that color anymore. No moss, nada.
We even had them look up the label on the side of the countertop, and they don't carry it.
They don't carry it anymore. They had a color that was similar, but we were like, yeah, no, we don't want to take the chance. Plus, it didn't have this little fancy edge. So we decided to go with a butcher block on this side. And then when we move into, when the new cabin's done, we're probably going to need a little bit more countertops. then we can get another butcher block to match that. Until next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.